Assalamu alaikum, this is Muhammad Khair, math teacher at KKI Schools. Our lesson today, my dear students, is unions and intersections of sets 3-8, and our objective to find the union and intersections of sets. Okay, the new concept that we have today: union, intersection, and disjoint sets. Union means, or the union of two or more sets is the set that contains all elements of sets. That means you have to put all the elements of sets together in one set. Okay, intersection, you have to find the similar, to put the similar elements in one set. Okay, so, and disjoint sets, that means there is no common or similar elements between two sets, my dear students. First of all, let us welcome with the sign for union and the sign of intersection. The capital U here, it is referred to the union, and the flipping upside down U, capital U, is referred to intersection. For example, A union B. Okay, that's mean you have to put all the elements of A and B in one set. Okay, but if you say A intersect B, that means you have to find the similar elements between A and B and put them in one set. Okay, my dear student. Okay, let us take one example. Okay, my dear student. Okay, let's go. Okay, here I will take this example. Okay, it is page 218, my dear student. Be ready. Let us read the question here. I'm reading from here, my dear student. Find each union or intersections. Okay, now the first set is A, and A has 1, 3, and 4 as elements. The second set is B, and B, it is X, where X is an even whole number less than 9. Okay, my dear student, that means you have to figure out the elements of B. Okay, this is your mission. So first of all, X is even, that means it is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. Okay, you keep going, okay, counting by 2. But he said to you from here, but it less than 9. That means he asked you to stop before the 9. So you mention 2, 4, 6, and 8 are the elements of set B. Now, set C, it is mentioned, okay, directly. He said C is 2, 5, 7, and 10. Great. Now the last set he mentioned here, it is D, where D equal X, and X is an odd number, and you know the odd numbers, my dear students: 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, and you keep counting, okay, in this way. Okay, but he said where X is an odd whole numbers less than 10, so don't proceed the 10. Okay, my dear student. Okay, great. So it is 1, 3, 5. It is 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. Okay, so the first mission that convert the verbal or the set builder notation into set or to a normal set or numerical set. Okay, my dear student, this is your first mission. Sometimes you need to do like this. After that, you can do the union or the intersection. I'm going to solve number 10, my dear student. Okay, let us start. This is number 10. This is question number 10. A union B, that means, as I said before, you have to put all the elements of A and B in one set. Let's go. First of all, I draw the brace here and brace here, and the element of A from here, my dear student, 1, 3, 4, I put them here, 1, 3, and 4, and he asked me to join them with B elements, which is 2, 4, 6, and 8. Yes, which is 2, wait a minute, thank you, which is 2, 4, but here I have a 4, no need to repeat, okay, 6 and 8. Okay, no repeated, remember that. You can mention the element one time. Okay, we done from 10. Now let us move to question number 16 here. Okay, it is 16 now. It is A intersect B. Let's go. I draw the braces here. Okay, and find the similar elements between A and B. Actually, it has only one similar element, which is number 4. So I will write here 4, then I'm done. Okay, so let us move to A intersect C, which is question number 17. Actually, I choose this randomly, but number 17 is not randomly. Okay, can you find the similar elements between set A and set C? Actually, there is no similar elements between them. See, I have 1, 3, 4 here, but here in C I have 2, 5, 7, and 10. There is no similar elements. So the answer is the empty set. Okay, empty set, or you can write phi. Okay, this phi means the empty set. Okay, my dear student. Okay, so I hope you get all the benefits from this practice or this exercises or those exercises. And let me tell you something about Venn diagram. Okay, where is Mr. Venn? Where is Mr. Venn? Give me, yes, here is. Let me introduce for you John Venn. This guy or this scientist or math scientist, he give us a Venn diagram, okay, help us to find the intersection and union between sets. Okay, let me give you a brief introduction about Venn diagram. In the last example, if you remember here, yes, I'm here. If I want to represent A union B by using Venn diagram, you have to do like this, my dear student. You draw a rectangle, okay, and you draw how many set you have here. I have two set, teacher. Okay, so I will draw two circles. This is the first circle and this is the second circle. This is denoted by A and this is denoted by B. Okay, and as you see here, the elements of set A, it is 1, 3 and 4. Yes, it is 1, 3 and 4. Okay, let me write 1, 3 and 4. And the elements of B, it is 2, 4, 6, 8. As you see, it is from here, my dear student. Okay, now it is 2, 4, 6, 8. 2, 4, 6, 8. As you see, I don't write the 4 because the 4 located, or it is the similar number between the two sets. I put the 4 in the intersection area, and it is belong to the two sets A, the set A and the set B. Okay, my dear student. Okay, now if I want to draw A intersect C here, A and C, okay, this is, first of all, this is A union B. Okay, now I will use the Venn diagram to draw A intersect C. I draw the rectangle, I draw the set A, this is represent set A, and this is represent a set C. Consider it is a circle. Okay, it does not look like the circle, but you can consider it. So this is C. The element of A, it is 1, 3 and 4, and the element, let me change the color. Yes, the element of A from here, my dear student, 1, 3, 4. See, I write all the elements inside the circle. 1, 3 and 4, and the C elements 2, 5, 7, 10 from here. Okay, 2, 5, 5, 7 and 10. So this represent A intersect or union C. As you see, there is no intersection area between A and C. Okay, you see, are you happy? I hope so. So I introduce for you briefly Venn diagram. Okay, and we call A and C disjoint set. We call them disjoint sets. That means there is no intersection area, or you can say in easy words, there is no similar elements between them. Okay, see you in the next videos, and goodbye, my dear and lovely boys.